Shifting gears is a commonly used idiomatic expression in the English language, which originates from the world of automobiles, but has been adapted into various contexts beyond driving. It describes the action of making a significant change or transition in one's approach, mindset, or activities. This phrase has become a versatile metaphor, symbolizing the need to adapt, evolve, or redirect one's focus in response to changing circumstances or goals. In a literal sense, shifting gears refers to the process of changing the transmission gear in a vehicle, typically to adjust the speed or power required for different driving conditions. This action is essential for maintaining efficiency and control while driving, especially when encountering varying terrains, traffic conditions, or speed limits. Just as a driver shifts gears to optimize performance, people use this expression to convey a similar need for adjustment in their lives or endeavors. In the context of personal growth and development, shifting gears implies the recognition that one's current approach or strategy may no longer be effective or suitable. It signifies a conscious decision to transition to a different mindset, method, or set of priorities. This could involve changing career paths, reevaluating personal goals, or altering one's lifestyle choices. For example, a professional who has been working tirelessly towards a single career goal may suddenly find that their priorities have shifted. They might decide to shift gears by exploring new opportunities or pursuing a different path altogether, such as starting their own business or focusing on work-life balance. In relationships, shifting gears can relate to a change in the dynamics between individuals. For instance, a couple in a long-term relationship may decide to shift gears by rekindling their romance or redefining their partnership, adapting to the changing needs and desires of each person involved. In the realm of education, students often find themselves needing to shift gears when faced with new academic challenges or deciding to change their major. This involves adapting their study methods, seeking additional support, or altering their academic focus to align with their evolving interests and goals. Businesses also frequently employ the concept of shifting gears. In a competitive market, companies may need to shift gears by diversifying their product offerings, adjusting their marketing strategies, or embracing new technologies to stay relevant and competitive. Moreover, the phrase shifting gears conveys the idea of adaptability and resilience in the face of adversity. When confronted with unexpected setbacks or obstacles, individuals and organizations may need to shift gears to navigate these challenges effectively. This adaptability is often a key component of success in a rapidly changing world. In summary, shifting gears serves as a versatile metaphor for making significant changes or transitions in various aspects of life. It underscores the importance of recognizing when a different approach or mindset is needed to adapt to new circumstances, achieve personal growth, overcome challenges, or pursue evolving goals. This expression emphasizes the value of flexibility, adaptability, and the willingness to embrace change when necessary.